This is awesome. I have a special catamaran for me. I am the only one in this catamaran because I do not want to walk too far and I want to go to the canopy and make it. So this catamaran is for me. Oh my God, it is so spectacularly beautiful. And it is a double catamaran. And this is Mr. Robinson. He's here. Say hello.
Hello, hello.
This is Mr. Robinson. I will be with him all the time. And he's going to take care of me. And it is so green. It is so... Oh my God, it is...
Oh, ya pues, te demoras. Por allá, encuéntrame ya. Por allá, encuéntrame.
Oh my God. Do you want me to paddle also?
No, you don't get tired.
No,
Don't get tired. Just rest.
Do I need to wear this
Save
life?
your energy.
Do I need to wear this life jacket?
When we are in the water, then you take it off.
Okay, yeah, because it's kind of heavy. Yeah. Oh my God. It is so beautiful. Look at how green it is. Is it green all rice? No, just reed. Why is it so green?
Because the plants are green.
Yeah, but this is verdant green.
There are many different greens we have here.
Yeah. And the reflection is amazing. Oh my God.